Okay guys, so welcome to my channel Graphic Atom. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create this basketball logo using Inkscape. So let's open Inkscape and I will just create this circle with having boundary, no pin color, like this. I will duplicate this and I will just remove the boundaries, fill it a color inside it, make it the same width, zoom in. I will duplicate it again. I will make it orange. Okay, I will duplicate it, click on this and difference. Okay, so I will now click on this recent, duplicate it, press shift, click on this and go to path, intersection. Now I click on this, duplicate this, click on this and difference. Go to path, break apart. Now deselect this and delete on the keyboard. I will zoom in and I will just move this orange crescent little bit up. Okay, right here. I will duplicate this again, click on this and difference. I will click on this, go to path, break apart, delete on the keyboard. Path, delete. I will delete these nodes here. I will make it smooth. Okay, so I will place it here. Now go to path, stroke to path, click on this, path, stroke to path. Now click on this, path, stroke to path. Duplicate this circle, click on this and difference. Go to path and break apart. Delete this. Same you have to do with this crescent. Duplicate this, click on this and difference. Now go to path and break apart. Like this. Now take the Bezier pen, like this. Again take the Bezier pen, go to click on this, go to path and stroke to path. Convert all these strokes to path. Duplicate this, click on this and go to path, difference, path, break apart. Click on this, deselect this and delete. Now grab all this and path, unit. like this. Now I will just create some rectangles. I will duplicate it again. I will just decrease this width yeah, like this, and I will create a circle. I will zoom in, duplicate this, and different. So sorry, I will duplicate this, click on this, path, intersection, path, intersection, duplicate, path, intersection, like this. And I will just decrease its size, click on this, center it upon a vertical and horizontal axis. Like this, duplicate, difference, duplicate, difference, duplicate, and difference. I will just keep it aside. I will take this, duplicate it, and flip selected object horizontally, like this. So guys, in this way you can create this Casper logo. I hope you like the video.